Welcome to Pabbly everyone. Come, I'll show you how this AI chatbot is going to run. So let's say I'm going to message on WhatsApp hey and I'm going to send this hey. And once I send this hey, this AI chatbot is going to reply me within seconds. It says, hello, how can I help you today? If you have any questions or need support, like I can ask. Alright, so let's ask a question. How do I activate the international roaming on my SIM? Now you're going to see that it is giving me the answers, or you can see steps using which I can activate international roaming on my SIM. Now let's ask another question. My SIM is damaged. What should I do? It is a really good question, and let's ask this query which I have. You need to see this AI chatbot is replying. If your SIM is damaged, you can request a replacement through Connect Wave Telecom. So as you can see, it is solving all the queries within seconds, and you must be wondering how. So I'll just show you the knowledge base which I have uploaded. So I've created this AI chatbot and I've uploaded this knowledge base in the AI chatbot, and using this knowledge base only it is replying me. You're going to see the steps to activate the international roaming or the answer to the damaged SIM. It is giving me exact same answers which we have right over here in our knowledge base. So I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to ask this question, which is, are there any family plans? And I'm going to send this message, and you're going to see within seconds it is going to reply me, and the answer will be exactly the same which we have entered over here. So as you can see, the answer is exactly the same, and you're going to see over here this chatbot is replying me. And in Pabbly Chatflow you can see also which chatbot is replying. Did user check the message, read the message was delivered or not from here. So yes, now let's see how we can create this AI chatbot. So yes, to create this AI chatbot you just need Pabbly Chatflow. What you're going to do is you have to open this AI assistant window in front of you. So if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Chatflow, go on the AI assistant from the left end of the site and open this window. And further, if you are a new user, you're going to get the landing page URL of Pabbly Chatflow in the description box below. Go on that URL in the top right corner. You're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. After coming inside Pabbly Chatflow from the left end of the site, go towards this AI assistant and create a new AI assistant, and a window something like this will appear in front of you. Now what you have to do is you have to select the instructions type. Alright, so I'm going to select it right over here. If you wish, you can definitely give a custom prompt and you can add the custom instructions. But for your help, we have added some pre-built examples like the AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and much more. So you can select anyone from this also. I'm going to select this customer support agent, and the instructions will be added automatically. So if you wish to edit these instructions, you can definitely edit these instructions, but if you wish, you can definitely keep it as same too. Now let's move on further. The next is this temperature. So over here you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. Now for the AI to use, I'm going to select OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to select it as GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the API key, and how can we get this API key? So for that you have to go towards this OpenAI API key page, and from here only we're going to get this API key by clicking on this create new secret key. You have to enter the key name, select the project, and click on this create secret key button. And as you can see, where's my key? So let's copy this key and we're going to paste it in this API key section and click on this connect. And once we click on this connect, as you can see, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. Alright, so now let's move on further. It is saying AI assistant settings. So over here you can do these settings too. If you wish to add a header or a footer message, you can simply switch it on and add a header or a footer message by typing it like this over here. You can add maximum to 60 characters. If you wish, you can definitely add it, otherwise switch these buttons off. The next is the stop keywords. You can enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. How you can type these keywords? You have to type the keyword and then press enter. Alright, so let's type the keyword and then press enter in order to add the keyword. So let's say someone is chatting with your AI assistant and they are not satisfied with the reply of the AI assistant. So what they can do is they can use this stop keyword, and you can add this stop keyword in your footer message, and whenever they're going to type this stop keyword, the AI assistant is not going to reply them further. A manual review will be needed to take that chat back again towards the AI assistant. So it is a very useful feature. If you wish, you can definitely use it. The next is this retry attempts. So you can specify the number of fallback attempts if the AI assistant key fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 2. The next is this fallback message. So this message will be displayed when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add your support email address in this fallback message. So if a user has some emergency, they can contact you on Gmail if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. With this, we have completed this AI instructions. Now let's go towards this knowledge source. So as I told you that I have already created this knowledge source, and using this knowledge source only, my AI chatbot is replying me so accurately. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open a blank Google Doc and write the knowledge unique to your business in that Google Doc. Then you have to go towards this file, download, and then you have to download this either in TXT or PDF format. Both of these are supported. I'll suggest you go for TXT formats because it is preferred, because for PDF we don't have any page limit for text PDFs. But if you go for PDFs which has image, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it totally depends upon you what format you want to download the knowledge base in. I'm going to download it in TXT and I'm going to upload it right over here by clicking on this choose a file, and you're going to see over here we have successfully uploaded this knowledge source. So we're going to see the date and time and also the vector ID, which is the proof of successful uploading. Now let's go towards this AI interface. So over here it is asking me to add the brand name. Alright, so I'm going to add my brand name over here. So I'm just going to copy and paste this brand name, and once I'm going to add it over here, this is also going to change. Same goes for the subheading. If you wish, you can definitely add the subheading too. Now next is this initial messages. So if you wish, you can definitely type in, press enter to add the initial message. You can add up to 2 initial messages. The next is this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to enable it, you can enable it, and if you want to disable it, you can disable it, and it will disappear from here. The next is this footer text. So you can use this to add a link or a disclaimer to your privacy policy. And same, if you add the link in this footer text by adding this footer link, then it will convert it into link, otherwise it will remain as text. The next is this user first message. So this message will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm going to keep it as hey, you can keep it as anything else too. Now the next is this styling. So you can style your WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the text colors and also the background colors. It totally depends upon you how you wish this AI chatbot should look like. And after this, you have successfully completed and created this AI chatbot. Now you have to switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant, and this AI assistant is saved. Now after doing this, what you have to do is, now we have created this AI assistant, but how can we use it out for business? So for that, you have to go to it's this embedded, and over here you're going to get this script. So you can use this script and add it on your website, and automatically this AI chatbot will be added on your website. And then further, whenever someone visits your website and click on this start chat, automatically they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and they will send you this message, which is the user's first message, and automatically the AI assistant is going to reply them. Further, if you wish to assign this AI assistant to your contacts, you can go to it's this inbox section from the left end of the site. So I've already opened it. What you can do is, let's say I want to assign this AI assistant to this contact. So I'm going to go to it's this choose AI assistant and assign this AI assistant by clicking on this save. And after doing this, yes, you can see now whenever this contact is going to message me, this AI assistant is going to reply. Further, if you wish to assign this AI assistant to multiple contacts at once, you can go towards this settings and then towards this inbox settings. What you have to do is you have to scroll and click on this enable AI auto replies. You have to select the contact list, and the AI assistant is going to reply to all these contacts. And then further, whenever any contact from this list is going to type you a message, this AI assistant is going to reply. For that, you just have to click on this save button over here. So yes, if you wish to learn how to create a contact list or any another feature of Pabbly Chatflow in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards the same has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. So you're going to see that with this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant, and now whenever any user is going to message me on WhatsApp, automatically this AI assistant is going to solve all their queries. So yes, now go try this amazing AI assistant for your own telecom business, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the same, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.